अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। क्लास 4th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश लेसन नंबर 2। लेसन का नाम है मानसर लेक। पैराग्राफ नंबर 2 यहाँ से स्टार्ट करें। On the eastern bank of the lake there is a shrine of Sheshnag, a mythological snake with 6 heads. There are some ancient temples on the bank of the lake, which are visited by the devotees. Ompathy, Madhadev, Narshima, and Dogra temples are situated near the lake. Newlywed couples make the 3 rounds around the temple as they believe it would bring them joy. Some communities of the Hindus also perform Mandan, first haircut of their male children. Mansar has also gained popularity among tourists with its rich flora and fauna. There is a wildlife sanctuary near the lake which is famous for spotted deer, nilgai, water birds such as cranes and ducks, the presence of seasonal birds, tortoises, and different species of fish added to the beauty of the lake. Mansar Lake is the venue for food and craft festival. In the month of April, organized by the J&K Tourism Department, cultural festival of the Dugras is organized in Mansar in the month of May. The wrestlers of the region assemble and participate in the canning festival that's also held there. प्यारे बच्चों, यह मानसर लेक अमकिस बैंकस पे यानी अमकिस किनारस पे टेम्पल ते यानी मंदिर ते तथ मंदिरस मजन हिंद पन पूजा करने खतर बेजा मंदिरस मजन हिंद न्यू कोपल तम अत मंदिरस करान अंद अंद 3 राउंड। अड़न हुंद बिलीव अड़न हिंदन हुंद बिलीव यकीन तमन हुंद कि ये तमन लड़क जवान तम मस्क आसान यथ वन जरक अथ मंदिरस